Whoa, that was close. Whoa, that was close. Is that you, Neil? I'm still going, but you went in hard.
That was a big one.
I got it! I still got
lucky
it!
You are. It's like, holy shit, it just crashes into a school full of little children.
Who hit me then? I think there's someone else behind as well, by the look of it.
For another pass, Bruno.
What was that?
I think it's ESC keep thinking.
Oh, we're close now. Oh, we're close now. Yeah, we're on the drive. Oh, I've got a bit of paper on my lens.
Your video better now?
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, not bad.
Exciting.
Wow, really? What's the big slaw? Right, throw on the big slaw. Whoa! Oh, that was a touch! Who did I hit? Oh, that was close, mate. Let's have a bit of that back. Oh. You see our shadows? Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yes, it is that close. Whoa, that was close, right? Right. Yeah, I know, yeah, just see it go past. I'll go round again.
If you guys do a formation low pass, I'll get on to you.
Are you with me? Whoa! Whoa! You got more to lose than me, mate. Alright, I'm on you now. So you're going as slow as you can, I bet.
Yeah, I can't get much slower than this.
Yeah, no, I'm good, I'm good.
Right guys.
Yeah, we'll come
Go
round.
for a low pass.
Yeah. Left at the road, mate?
Yeah, I'm trying.
What do you mean you're trying?
I'm stalling out.
I've got a fly on my lens. is that?
No, 5.8 dude.
Oh, hey! That's definitely quadded.
Oh no! Oh! Me! I don't know what happened, I had no...
It might have taken you
Might have done.
cut one through.
Yeah, might have done.
Have you gone down, Bruno?
Yeah, I went in.
Is that 3 for 3?
Might be.